Hello guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new year 2023. May all your heart desires be granted. This morning I woke up and I was trying to subscribe to the MTN data zone because it's very cheap and affordable, but I tried the SSD code, which is the star 135 hash, and it was running and running and running and I wasn't able to do it. So I had to go for other bundle offers. I thought it was from my end. Then I went to WhatsApp and saw on a friend's that MTN data zone is not working. So I realized that it was a general problem. It looks like everybody is having the same problem. So I started doing my research on how we can be able to run the MTN data zone because it's very cheap. Then I discovered this method is very easy. I'll take you to my screen right now. So you open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You open your browser, then you search for MTN data zone. Search for MTN data zone. It opens for you. We have MTN data zone here. So that is www.mtndatazone.mobi. So you click on that link and then it loads for you. So it will open and then bring you to this site. That is the MTN data zone site. They'll ask you to enter your phone number. You neglect the zero, so mine is 02 plus 223 249214547. Then you ask them to send the OTP, which is the one-time password or the one-time PIN. Alright, so after inputting the one-time password to log you in, and what we have here, we have the balance, that is your data zone balance, and we have bundles. So we want to buy the bundles. So when you click on the bundles, it will load for you and it will open. See, we have the data zone bundle offers here. We have 1 gig for 1 day, which is 2 CDs, 9 pesos, 09 pesos. And we have 2 gig for 1 day, 2 CDs, 79 pesos. The same as the MTN data zone offer. So I want to buy the 5 gig. So I go and then click on the buy here for the 5 gig and I go to purchase and it will load for me. So your bundle purchase was successful. Your bundle purchase was successful. So it means that I have my MTN data zone bundle very active right now, and I can buy. If I come to check balance, see your bundle balance is 5 gig. So that is how you can be able to do the MTN data zone right now, since the SSD is not working. So share this video with your colleagues, share them with your friends, and encourage them to come and watch, and then also know how to be able to do the MTN data zone bundle. Don't forget to like this video, comment on it, subscribe to the channel to become a part of the family. My name is Kwame Bless Wins, and you can call me Wins for short.